Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on IO the General for software engineering concepts in Python, where we are going to do the type checking in Python. We are actually uh, going to understand what it is. So type checking actually ensures variables have expected data types before operations are performed. So unlike strictly typed languages, Python is dynamically typed, meaning types are checked at runtime rather than compile time, giving developers flexibility while creating potential runtime errors. This fundamental aspect of Python influences how we write, debug, and maintain code, making understanding type checking essential for effective Python development within teams. So we have a dynamic type checking and also static type checking. So we want to understand the differences. So the dynamic has built-in functions like the type with parentheses and its instance method or function that verify types at runtime, and then is flexible but can lead to unexpected errors. That's in traditional Python approach. That's for dynamic type checking. And with a static type checking, type hints from PEP 484, which is available in Python 3.5 plus, working with tools like MyPy to analyze code without running it. And the typing module enables advanced type annotations, and libraries like Pydantic enforce typing at runtime. So that's what you should know between the differences between the static versus dynamic type checking in Python. Thank you for watching this video. I am the General.